Welcome to Spanish Quiz Academy. 40 questions. 7 seconds each. Shark. Starting strong. Do you know it?
Tiburón.
Goat. Nice and simple. Do you know this one?
Cabra.
Butterfly. A pretty one. What do you call it?
Mariposa.
Lion. The king of the jungle. Name it.
León.
Hamster. Cute and tiny. Think fast.
Hámster.
Whale. A giant of the ocean. What's the word?
Ballena.
Chicken. Careful, this one is tricky.
Gallina.
Ant. Small but mighty. Can you name it?
Hormiga.
Dolphin. Smart and friendly. Let's see what you've got.
Delfín.
Horse. A classic animal. What do you call it?
Caballo.
Giraffe. Tall and elegant. Give it your best shot.
Jirafa.
Bee. Buzzing around. What's the word?
Abeja.
Pig. Farm favorite. See if you know this.
Cerdo.
Octopus. 8 arms. Try this one.
Pulpo.
Cat. Nice and easy. What's it called?
Gato.
Flamingo. Pink and fabulous. Ready for this one?
Flamenco.
Crab. Sidestepping along. What's the name?
Cangrejo.
Dog. Man's best friend. All right, what's the word?
Perro.
Dragonfly. Fast and delicate. Think carefully.
Libélula.
Sheep. Soft and woolly. Can you name it?
Oveja.
Elephant. Big and unforgettable. What's it called?
Elefante.
Beetle. A tiny tough one. Let's keep it moving.
Escarabajo.
Rabbit. Quick and fluffy. What's the word?
Conejo.
Tiger. A fierce one. See if you know this.
Tigre.
Wasp. Careful, this one can trick you.
Avispa.
Cow. Farm classic. What do you call it?
Vaca.
Panda. Black and white cuteness. Think fast.
Panda.
Donkey. One of my favorites. Is it one of yours?
Burro.
Seal. Splashing around. Try this one.
Foca.
Rat. Small and speedy.
Rata.
Zebra. Striped beauty. Give it your best shot.
Cebra.
Guinea pig. A cute little squeaker. What's it called?
Cobaya.
Turtle. Slow and steady. What's the word?
Tortuga.
Parrot. Colorful and loud. Can you name it?
Loro.
Squirrel. Quick little climber. What's it called?
Ardilla.
Fly. Tiny and annoying. What's the word?
Mosca.
Jellyfish. Floating in the sea. Think carefully.
Medusa.
Monkey. Cheeky one. What do you call it?
Mono.
Wolf. A strong one. Ready for this?
Lobo.
All right, last question. It's owl, but I'm not giving you the Spanish. Who knows it? Drop it in the comments and you might appear in the next video. Keep testing yourself with these incredible quizzes, and we'll see you in the next one.